democracy's outcomes. Great expectations from democracy. Some people began to regard democracy as an ideal that does not ensure all the right policies. Individuals have to take advantage of the good conditions created by democracy and make good policies. Thus, it is not right that for any imperfection in any area, we should throw blame on democracy. For a common man, democracy means rule by the people. The legislature, executive, and the judiciary should be independent of each other and should keep a check on the other organs of the government. Part 2. 2. Social aspect. Social democracy means that there is equality and unity in the society. Everyone should have equal access to the resources of the society. There should not be any discrimination on the basis of caste, race, or religion. In such a setup, no religion or community is given any preference over religions or communities. Economic aspect. Economic democracy means that every member enjoys more or less equal economic status. This means that there should not be large gaps between the rich and the poor. A society should not have a small, very rich class and a large, poor class. The income is evenly distributed among the people. It also means that the government undertakes extensive welfare schemes and achieves universal literacy rate. Dictatorship means rule by a few. A particular individual has large powers in the government and exercises his own will while taking the decisions. Dictatorship has the following characteristics. 1. No genuine constitution. The dictators do not consider constitutional rights and assume absolute powers in the government. There is no freedom of speech and expression. People are not supposed to disagree with the government. All the decisions are taken by a few powerful individuals and everybody is expected to follow them. 2. Monopolization of power. In a dictatorship, all the powers are vested in a single person or in a group of people. They direct all the policies and programs for the society. Views, interests, and opinions of the masses are not generally considered. 3. Complete control over the propaganda machinery. Dictators do not allow mass media to discuss ideas that would go against the government. They allow no freedom of speech, expression, and thought, and strict censorship is exercised over the media.